Hola, a great, beautiful, gorgeous, sophisticated lady. Here you are going to see an exclusive view of Gadwal pure handloom sari. Gadwal with kanchi border, checks with butta, resham checks, body runs with dual butta, with kanchi kuttu borders with temple coat koma. These are the color combinations. Rich pallu and Gadwal with kuttu interlock weaving system. Resham checks body includes dual butta with temple coat comma to interlock weaving system. Body includes a meenakari butta. An exclusive view of Gadwal, a pure authentic handloom sarees with a pure silk and with pure jari. An exclusive color combinations. Gadwal silk with kanchi border. Gadwal silk siko with all body runs with a salt checks including body butta with gorgeous pallu with temple coat comma kuttu interlock weaving system. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.